That's it, Brian?
Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I did a purpley pink smoky eye look, and I decided to feature the new Cover FX Shimmer Veil that looks like this. The shade that I used for this video is Amethyst, and it came in my February 2018 BoxyCharm, which is why I decided to feature it. So if you'd like to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. So I'm starting off with my Glamglow Water Burst Moisturizer, and I'm just applying that all over my face. Now I'm going in with my TooFaced Hangover Primer all over my face, and then I'm going to take my Brow Gal No. 2 pencil to fill in my eyebrows. And then I clean up the eyebrow area using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Beige. To set my eyebrows in place, I'm just using my City Color Clear Lock Brow Gel. I'm priming my lids using the Essence eyeshadow primer just so that I have a nice base for my eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette that I used to create this look is the Nubian by Juvias, and using my Morphe M441 brush, I'm going to pick up the third shade on the first row using it as a transition shade, and I'm just going to blend that into my crease. Using the same Morphe M441 brush, I'm just picking up the orangey brown shade on the first row, and I'm placing that slightly below my transition shade to darken it a little. Then taking my Morphe B23 brush, I'm using that to blend out any harsh lines. And then I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, once again with the Morphe M508 brush, to do a half cut crease. So I'm just cutting the crease slightly where I'm going to be applying the glitter. Next, I'm taking my Cover FX Shimmer Veil in the shade Amethyst, and I'm placing that directly over the area where we put concealer on the lid. Taking a blending brush like this one's from one of my Anastasia palettes. I'm taking the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm placing that on the outer V, and I'm blending it into the shimmer that we placed on the lids. I then created winged liner using my NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner, as you can see, and I created a fairly big and thick wing because the lashes that I have are pretty dramatic. I'm using my Tarteist lash paint to prep my eyelashes for falsies, and then the false eyelashes that I used for this look were the Ardell Demi Pixies in black. Taking a smudger brush, I picked up that light purple shimmery shade from my Morphe 35B palette and placed it all over the lower lash line using mascara over top. Next, I took my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I applied that all over my areas where I wished to have more coverage. I did not use foundation for this look because I wanted to give my skin a break, so I just concealed and then set the concealer using my Airspun Powder. I then took my Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in the shade Starlight, and I placed that in the areas where I'm going to be applying powder highlighter. For contour, I'm using my Colourpop Cosmetics bronzer. It's a single shadow. I forget what shade I have. And then I'm using my blush. The blush that I'm using is called Happy Hibiscus. It came in my Ipsy bag like a long time ago, so that's why it's so tiny. And then for highlight, I'm using my Rose palette from Hush Beauty. And I just placed that like on my forehead, down my nose, and on my cheekbones. For lips, I'm using my Tarte liquid lipstick and a nude lip liner. I forget what the lipstick is called because it's in my purse right now, but I'll definitely link everything down below. And then going back in with the same Rose palette, I'm highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone. I set my face using my Lavender Fix Plus. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.